Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change residential address in Exness. It's really simple and easy. Your residential address is basically taken when you make an account, and it's very important for them to know where you live because they are going to create your account according to your location and address. And the way that you change this address is by going to support hub on this left panel here, and then you are just going to click on open a ticket. When you open a ticket, it's going to ask what it's about. You can click on this about technical, and then you can click on other, click on continue, and you are just going to put in your reasoning being that you want to change your country, and they will happily do that and get back to you on your email. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change residential address in Exness. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.